but sa paros nagpagmasada. Muway nandun ko ang ginanalay. Nakalapit paros na yung at nagpagmasada yung nalawan. O nandun ko ang igi. Patuto nagkatungong staff. Meron Mr. Chua po staff sa Natasan. Revenue and Customs and Tax Administration. O Bill Senior Bill Indian Full-Bill Task Force on Food Security. With Brown Master Hospital is Simon. Mr. Rodriguez, ngayon, muna tayo magtaulay ng Lucky. One parang? Kasi, kamakan yung mura, acting namin katayar sa way din sa paninatarin. One parang John and William Charity o sa
Karang kami MC, saya katinilukan sa karatawad sa ang katulong kayo sa daan na kami sa saya katindaw. Kalangan ini may samakot so kalangan may siyang wad yung kit sa primasyong papakan and wayward. Meron ka na ng walwad at ng parawad. Kasi niya tungkol sa karataan may kayo kapin. Pwede sinabing mo na pwede pramahukir sa primasyong papakan. Pero may siya naman pwede kating mangir muna at patuti pa kurungi. Auto ba na tungkol kokan may siya panto ng galit. Kasi sabi ni Paki, kaya kating tuwekit o dito sa pulmahan sawas kaway. Kaya kaway tabi naman kik sa pulmahan yung papabukat. Kaya siyang patpatu pa kurami. Siyang patpatubi kurami. Apkay din pinat cuma. O siyang kuya pa na nilpum. Kaya kakway sa pulmahan. Tatok ang buiwan. Kailangan ini may sama naman. Dapat kitiyan dik sa pulmahan ngayon. Kaya kaway. Bikan parus. Patusan ang buikan. Kataan siya niray na kan. Kataan biya ang kaway. Nagpapa-ongwi. Siya pinmen kaki. Sang kapin pamawisit. Niya pabin. Purga siyang ng karawat. Siyang kataan kisilang tutuot. Manay. O napakmaw. O lalo nga tungal pasyakan sa patusan. Kailangan ini may sama naman. Aylat niya kikipos. O sa karayin. Tinan ng kapayang account sa Primaria of Jesus Christ.
kailangan kami ang parang dan kita online sa pagmadalang pagdungangot ako na yung sansal si Magistrate Munsabes Mayor in Colonial Town and Chief in Oiwu, Chief Minister, Chief in Izwa, Chief in Sakwapik, Municipality, Acting Chief ng Katasan, Natalani, Chief Rep sa Makil, Chief Rep sa Kapangamarangin, then Kapatwa was asked so Chief in Manila next so waiting to see as I can check item na sansal nasa pagkasalasan ng awat. National Customs and Tax Administration. Ini garapan tayo tayo ng awat. Ang jawat juga kasamo sa jawab yang kami paras na yan kung awat sa Ubus kasang balwat na isang government dan for perintah komit
Kailangan isang momotred kapit o wow ay kabis kung prevented tayo ilan ko yun Mr. Korkar na we are officer in charge ng Public Field Customs and Tax and Tabiada sa Matayalito na ilan
Kailangan ko, Mr. Chua. All members ay tuwa sa karataan mo ako may pagkakulat. Kung yung kapagitan may nagpaten kami Chairman GMP o may pagkakulat po iti sa pagkakutay lanso kain wala ay yung kakatoyan na sa karataan mo. Ito lang din ang sumaw Lockwood. Naliliyan ka William, Secretary of Finance, Tiano Eugene Amor. Bill William, Assistant Secretary, Salvador Jacob. O kapamangga, Restaurant ang Patran Trial, Rano, kung ang sa Patran, Euclid, at kapila sa pagkakas. Pwede isang karabekan, Kapag-tular arah mga ipatutahan sukset kuyen kak and epispuran kapese portaikan meren kapralang China sumpar 2017 ng lupape ele patronton del Lockwood eu beneme mi nan pumen National Government Customs and Tax Administration with Patrian Purbe State Government, with Patrian Local Government. Sangan tarni sa Patrawan tayo, dapalan yung pinento to, mamiye, nan kung local government kan o national government. Meron kuitaan to ay ninin dap ng Office in Customs and Tax Administration. What we can do, Ms. Einstein, email by Einstein, and supplemental agenda number 2, number 3, over 2. Motor-motorment, and Customs and Tax Administration, kapin ng Medal Local Chief kan. Ibig kapin ko po iti Local Chief Freeman Metal Patrick Trial Ranwood Nandinin Cup Merit Acting Minister Labalaban Way Matarini Chief Minister ng Mulu o Mayor ng Colonia Town na Patrick Trial o ikoparabor kami sa Bulmaray Utrud Pintan Tuwetre Utrudin Chief kan Mr. Patoyer Rera Lansupis Samanar o aray inangandato may inininsensa na mga ay ininipway tama. Welcome kamotela collection in taxes kan Mr. Patuman Palakta may pinpurotong state o puralang local government kan ininipway tama na sang 2017 pa. Ayun na tuloy success may banker and GMP. I so to operating TV. Get to it. We dan taong kan na niyo. We dan batuan pin program para church nelen Mr. Chua, dan kaula ungan supplementary budget ng Korea. Kailangan po.
Namen Mr. Cora. En Secretary Agenda number Rio, may business registration on business kan patron ng local government jurisdiction kan. Dahil ng 2018 tayo uyayal registration, business registration ng posya naman ng local jurisdiction kan. Ari iba ala sa pagki rin local chiefkan kaya kurang benar para tayo update di supplementary business kan ng local jurisdiction. En essential registration baguyaw udah essential di revenue ko ng 2014 to 15 Kobe State kan collected 15 million. Deleto last year collected 19 million. Mereka bilang sama development, working registration yang dia. Development business memang participate dalam workan sudah yang register, sudah yang wine tax. Email ada ya, mungkin orang email, saya EU mana parwat. Orang yang update in business and jurisdiction. Problem ada foreign investment dan perkembangan saya office patron orang mayor anju samala kami saya sang mayor sebagai EU federal state R&D or Trapiata update in business dan koloni. Mention pun September. Ayam berpatron dan agenda berpatron ramai. Memorial Kolonia, saya bantu dan net. Dan Oktober. Memorial net, saya bantu dan Sukes dan November. Memorial Muawu December. Matelenin Pitri. O seban EU mau terairan ka show kaki yang mau terairan apa di sini tak we me business ita gaga mau na business agar based on show dan quality that para lang show kami show kami show tra business when sansan na ni try business Asyik business ni, orang business tu kan orang report. Business ni show pun January dalam business, orang orang report ki business mana first quarter. Benda mas ya macam duration business tu, orang orang report. Dia register business. Aima sepaki kolonia mawal, orang tema tu lah ketok. Sebagai Patrian Chamber of Commerce, R&D or Tapiata registration update ng Colonia. Verder dan land lease, house rentals, iba siya kung saan siya ng detail worker. Moro-moro mag-drive kurang kapungala update dito sa registration na revenue ng report. Kaya todo ko na mami kalala ba? May ka kauye to kay kasi sulisan. When patrol mo carbon kaya apali registration update. Yeah, someone is evasion. We have the top package you software on revenue management system in the Katan. Avant associate trade on apali income tax or business registration or PTR, business cross revenue. We see what mga pamahong trial kung kakapit sa mga imo file tax. Pero i-file, kung kakapit file, ito ang isi in compensation so rima leda eu caro do trai uia business update wood o ajo me misina vale leto a information chorus and kamaganta o ready ko ni putan na misina alma anana ben eu global jurisdiction amiana ben ang printoma tapi muya ta musong armas me apat gere question mewa report na bel to kan kamangai na mere we will talk on the bit revenue Achoda Peterson Teika on municipality Anshukshin Ramoymun Maiva Kaladom Office the Pure Petrov and some Wayum and Shomu Sega Bulianta Shomun update now. When I said to talk upward from RMS, the revenue management system, and I don't try. I show you more than I opened up for I'll try catching the next year toward the end of next year, the mid, see what man did. I mentioned Apalita Sanger, registration update. I show them see that in the dark. Information or input on the manner. Now, question sa material center, the business application, tax clearance. Answer is similar sa patuloy ni municipal ka. So, kasi we are talking about quality compliance sa material business ka ng local jurisdiction. They will. Essential profit. Auction, yeah, auction, the state, but every local jurisdiction will have business license. Yeah, license in yeah, what are the state government and state level. Remember, what are in Napoleon at the top will be 11 local offices on license. Remember. Sekolah bata, we have to talk with OCO here, but in all the lower treatment. I eat it, told and to talk about you. Then package not distributed, we will get lower chief, yet application of knowledge. Or here was an application of about here, tax clearance, some at office. I said, one chief, mayor van Saidi, license. Whenever business work through here, we want them customers. Whenever issue corporate renewal license, business company license. Well, your business register and what card, number what the register and yet the number. I got track now, we are going to talk for one time issue license. Well, government, we try no government, or try for proven and operation in government. But essential application and patrolling and work on I'll show you what executive and become chairman some my question that come, Kajuba no question that some my jurisdiction. Reaction of my van travel, I should do the trail, said Turkey, trail and told out, Chapeta with the business college plan, clear and customs and tax, more than my van issue, business license. Well, compliance, the essential and report you, one of report on they were municipal gun, business can be here, or business can be Boyu. Asura paid on the festival, after the festival, and the plan and the value, they were with MOU. I will sanction the MOU you trade Sungu-sungu na paliata ng buong national government, state, or local government. Kapit information sharing. MOU what patrocinier ng wakan o kanilaw din lower chief kan may primasya kumalat lower chief chorus o kayo yung tao. Kung naman kapag sa yun siya hangi outer MOU. Lower chief chorus memorandum chorus o kayo already for signature. Afet responde na po yung AG Secretary and Trade okay sa Pumi State. Alima sumama po yung Chief of Staff o na Yayo Petretay. Alima mo kak siya kamatangala. Tama. Kung saan na MOU what patulang Pumi State 18 December 10, 2019. Then kulawot siya na open. Sure ba sa mga yung para kitchen Sudah review both car away. Sudah naring semakin away. Dan sebab tu mak office kat saya kata backup dan pekerjaan bulan kerja ko kami bersama buat tu nama kata sudah kata perlu sudah comment. Ayo wasap kita cakap ada mau you local chief forest. You ni driver tu benar reinforce signature mau you buat itu. Kami patron information sharing. Rampat, may mga pagpagalawa sa akin. Siguro. May mga information. Email and MOU po yung kamatangala kayo ito. At yung kakontak information o kailangan share ng kumatay. National, state, o local government.
Information sa kanya sa yung state kung provide information that state government doesn't provide information. Recently we're trying to request some information on the victims, but it's been taken a while.
Ay mo mga bayano po tama mo.
And the water niya, sigat ko pa ako. Okay, niya po yung action sa kana sa legislation, nagdata. Ang information na pamamasa nito na nalagang ko working, pinata actual po. May mga po kilo sa pinitang business registry annual. Ang yes po sa nete buka kaso sa working sa central kita ng siya. May affected po standard comply with this. Ito sa Kaya iwan po kung ang bulletin information na formalize your business history database on this page. We have some by sense and may share ang mga sa mga hindi na kanay. Sense ang mga daw niya business history. Had niya sa ucap advance of business history. Kalau itu katun sih, dia kata komponen. Mana
Kailangan, bukan yung model ako lihat na driver niyo ko na. Driver ko rin siya doon. Driver niyo ko na ako lihat na token sama driver. Ay kasambol man yung going to share information across state, national, and local freely. Ang mga nasyo yung ibang basan state, yung national o local government, yung awya-awya rasyo na ibang katpino, awya signature taken, yung pang kililisan o singkap na, nasyo na mga ibang katpino sign up sa mga MOU o mga katpino. So, kayo naman na kalala ba kay mga employee, Jeffrey, o yung province taxpayer services. Reportski, Fishniskan, Koros Munan Gobi, jurisdiction of Kalang.
Kasi din main ko, Christmas datang mau bercakap. Cepat kecianan, agenda item yang terdengar tentang business compliance. Kami sadar dan second quarter and courage. Dewa municipality kan dawai kan program yang aku matlanim dan second report sangat senang second quarter. Kami se alih bisa matlanim business sisa monong ngamin na second quarter o business isa su second patrol fine CRM EGR tax dan when business ko isa tadadvaisa kuwa ngamin business isa kriyaw so kemudian apali saya kenca apali ala EGRT the tax nan second quarter o dia nan mengkecil business o putih isa kelmau o mer dia isa ke masai kenca balta nan second quarter challenge Buat cerita sokas business ko isa kelmau Selisa kesu saya kunci yang apa dia lah na second quarter. Colonial Town business papi sa puno business polisa kriyaw na saya kunci tax na second quarter. Saya sal menan takan klasifikasi pompe kan tungilap chen biayaw business berpat-pat pun takan tungilap onan takacekan soce businessman. Jadi saya sadar mohon akan tukandang so akan kita dia business kan yang ama soca hari irat yang harus kalangan
saya kan nonton bisnis saya tentang berbincang kami itu ada punya tahu ini dulu kan ada berapa bumi yang mana mai punya lagi itu mai
I should say something speculative regarding the outer islands, especially my island before. As mentioned in here, we haven't had any reporting. My question is regarding, because there was a meeting last time, I think same group, but there's some few questions haven't responded yet. So my question is, because on the island, one family can have only $200. They start buying things and selling it out to people. Somebody is only maybe $100 and they buy small things and start selling them. But when we approach them, they say that's like a family things. So I'm asking if it's this kind of thing is what? Call it business, or is there any way to
fundraising?
Well, I think the simple answer for that is it's from your own observation. The official, if that person is only one time doing that, then you don't consider as business. If he constantly doing that when he have money and everybody, then he has to have a license. He has to report his business cost revenue tax.
Yeah, I just said this one because that's how I observed what's on the island. You're doing like that, but it's not a real big business. More amount of money and you start buying small items and sell out to people. People coming to get it.
I have quite similar question to this. So Working, Pastocho, taken, for example, Amazon, right? Consistent, I can put that constantly, but I don't think we have that. So how do you go about that situation? How do we solve that? Is that a business kind of activity or just a simple farmer that trying to make a living out of this cash? Because they do it constantly. And they don't have lights. So how do we go about that? How do we address that? Would that be continuously doing the same thing or you're going to address that? Because not just the farmers, that is fishermen, and the farmers. So that situation they're asking, so how to address that? Please, since you're the tax
In our law, Title 4 state, if you do exchange of money with services, you have to pay
That's
tax.
a business. Even $1, $2,
Even $1,
that's
once you do something, but not on a long-term basis, not like fundraising, that's okay. But something that you do constantly, like you said, the time, if it's more than like 1 day, then they have to pay tax.
So my question here is, so do the farmers and fishermen also pay tax? Because they do that constantly.
If they have license with
That's what
if they have the license with the local governments, then
Mostly they don't. Do they?
If they're exchanged their services with cash, they're liable to pay tax.
Okay, that's the thing I really understand. Especially the chiefs.
it's a challenge.
Yeah,
But
so because
we
we
need to-
understand how fishermen farmers are selling their catch and supplies or products and without paying tax. So that's my concern here, is to understand. If that's the case, then everything has to be taxed. Even the skirt sewers, they're not paying tax. So that's why I'm asking if that should be addressed or, because they do that constantly. So that means when you say constantly, I've seen some activities in the state.
Oh yeah, that should be.
Money, they do it without tax, so that's my concern here. So do we like address that issue or, that's my concern. And
nan rescue fire Kacuan dia nan terapo yang business real isa peo mesto kabayada rai kual ko na second ko imenale ikawi togi sangi dogerchi ko tambi mo hilangi ko tadi mele ruine amun me nembe sansal pergi mai review right kan media or rise to power ramai global kame kalian tu sama logos so mai me kalangan ai menu kapela bi dalam nama mai ni partilang rai local ka Israel kame sto kabayada rai lengkap dukai rai itu nang so kawe yan kan dalam sejarah dasar urusan dengan second quarter kemarin yang lain. Orang wewe tu marai kau wala kusum. Ini pula landa ko. Rai ni scout kita on ni main tax tu dia kita mau rai di sini. Every time mau boleh sini tax. Ini semua cara sebenarnya. Sama lu so level C. Level mustaq. Itu memang kita kalam.
Kailangan ng kesempat yun Olo Wiki Niyakin ni order raken delon second property returns cover right point it can check against listing mo la kasada registration na year bit of noter report katikian ang sistema when ma report kaya saka kasi method na wala method na po niyaso na sa lumot tangkin katapasan notice on register point in tasking A1 So, para sa pwede, sa Bulnorail, jurisdiction sa bangkit pagkakaan. Datang muna ang bangkit nila ni Ewe Office. Asagan, bakayarlar o truong sa Bulnorail Treasury. When kina company at mga lobster ka, wala nga pre-reamen, taluriyawan ka pre-reamen. So, kung niyo ba niyo sa pimen, kapitan, toto lato, ako yung profi. Tatawag na uyaw yet, even in prayer program.
Business registration number. Kolekta number of business powers and promotion powers. So, sa isang pinakang makakita ko yan sa tao dahil kung nila pwede ilan ko ba sa karya. Ito pa lang na business registration na we are pa kung pagkano lang yan. Ang tax-central kung business na register pwede mag-expect yan wala lang kami number of business registered. Similar to what Chief Local Chief Sir had. Instead of you having a different number and they have different numbers. We've got a line
Kailangan may murin sa mga tayo katinasok sa erano ka, may tayo may muntiyo tayo certain number mo kumpara ko doon, number mo sa
pwede non-parage, alam ko pwede sa konsent niya, business assistant ko, the department ko, number of business staff we have available there. Sample ko, may kasalita, mag-monetize, magpunong, communication ng yaw na ang buwan. Yung chief pa o iray pa, mag-ibig sa tax. Yung tax ay dalpuan ang natawala o tax. O magmatawa, so pa nang, kasi nang bang ko itong kasi kung mag-organize, providing communication sa jazz at the people na wala na po yan. Unfortunately, ang mga Bilang mo man, kung mo may social objection ng police power sa may social facility, may specific kaya na siya. May social communication na ako para lang ako. Alignment ng business natin. Ano po yung tama sa ang walang communication na
ay kalangan ay jual sa karan wow katapat so ay ren Peter mungkin sa katakpan kayo bagi Cage Outer Island sa buwabi kansawot sa bahan business license corresponding September Seban collect new business license October. When child to Benayer, kita kumal melau ko to kawo yang na business ka. Tama ba no yung onaray ban point. Raya ini men pe. Pwede na October Seban na letter business license. Leto match second drama Italian official kuti labo na ito. Raya ban yang mo Raibannya, iban semua, lain pun, mai saya ginto foto, saya putih lah kau, tame kesempat, orang tak kau, I may maintain, pergi, ansau ini, solan, aku malak make it more October, I dan terus, mai sawas, orang tak work kita mesti bangkola kau, mon I ban, soto mai deng right, lain mo na iban mo itong rival point. Ayun rin pagkatak ko kalalatak. Yak malban so say kung out the rival duro. Yan business mo. Abamabo kami sa bulungan kawit sa ban quarterly report. Ang so ko dilamia ko sa ban report. Masota sa ban report dito na. First, the second Lesotho business to Lesotho ko. Lesotho so. Dami sa ban point. Ayun kalala po. Ma ban mian so kumal menlau sawa sama tin sotu ai bin ban au yau kumal an so yau kumal ban saletak perfecto saletak kala
Kailangan, do. Kailangan nanti semalam apa yang kontribusi yang mau ada. Jadi kami member kami kontribusi. Kemudian kailangan tolong kaki yang kita. Kalau sekarang peran yang account, kalau kita terpuas dengan suci. Kemudian ramai sendelah. Eu obviamente estava kaisai kadadal men all gnu ramal wan yaw ni representation representative business in other end of don't the when ka kamangai to when ka wa penetrate some the kawa representative ko yo we are often almost tax and when you run they got to let go na ka and we have worked some of the island
No matter what, we have business associations, we have probation for farmers. They work with all the businesses in there, because if they should have that information. So yeah, the information all the business can and authorized stuff. Don't you guys reach out to them, probation for farmers or business association? We're in Canvas.
Kailangan may kami itu sama ko level cuma yang kita tax yang kali bisa bukan macam jadi yang sama di sensitif dan banyak step il bikin toro di pada itu hanya yang mungkin ini batuan saksara kita dengan kawan mak. Isu batuan bermain yang macam sesuatu ini. Kami bersama batuan an semua kawan kecil mak ini bukan, ini ini yang ada kawan sawas. Jaga apa melihat dengan sampai. Om terkait kan, Gombe State sejauh set up database in business. Itu memang modern like business ka sana rawi itu. Email yang kami dan kami sansan pik kaisa kayo sansan may one business itu di forma at least for now. Sabi ka tolaw yung kayo ng mga kali kailan sa hospital.
Kailangan pupukas yung nedet sa matay yung kanina sukses o kanina tayo yung radio mo tayo fit run muli yang mo matay pan kacang na radio ay pinmenturan kaya sa pal sa karawang mo ang milityan kaya o kacang interview o melil tose kapil o melil local chief kan sa bulmong may supporting staff ng mga barangay kapag yung Gombe State PIO, RLP, so paros na yung katel sa mga radio ganyan ang sukses. So kapag kagmelit sa mga radio katel, ang sukses kapag ang sukses ay hindi tama. Sabi kapag video, kasi sa mga radio ganyan, sa mga radio katel, and kapag mausan na, o flow and money, in flow sang national government o government sharing, and kap laut tasang match ng barbaros ng pinakita laut ng pumasok. Isa rin na tayo bloodline ng isa rin na tayo government. Kailangan yung pupot baros.
Kailangan kamu Joshua, President Carl, sa timong Roger Carl, Customs Administration. Sansa, Gombe State from Operation Photographers from follow-up on AG. MOU maganda. Definitely, and some protection that secrets. What you can information share. That can allow it. The state commerce and industry. Okay. Information or tax collection by Mawa at the same state or municipal government. At the same government, Department of Finance or Office in Tax Customs Administration. So, di ba, walihan din po ang state o naman po walihan din po kalangan ang katasyan o finance o tax and customs administration pwede isinsak at iwan kasansal konsepe sa katasyan kapag ito dari kalangan. Ada what may mereka ketat atau kotak, yang paten